Now, let's do our first lesson, the verb to be. Listen to me carefully. I'm Louise. I'm English. I'm from Cambridge. And I'm your teacher. You're my student, and you're here to learn the English language. And you're very intelligent, I'm sure. He, let's look, he is my boyfriend. He's Mexican, he's a jazz musician, and he's very good looking. She, yes, she is my puppy. She's Suki, she's a Jack Russell Terrier, and she's lovely. Suki, she. Now yes, it's a hat. It's a big hat. It's a Japanese hat, okay? Now we're a team, and we're here to learn the language together. And you're my students. They're my CDs, they're music CDs, and they're very expensive. Now, in every lesson that we do together, we will have a moment like now when I go in this position and we will work with a screen. Let's look at that. Ta-da! The screen. Now, this is a moment when we focus on the grammar. So, all the things that I said then had the verb to be. So let's look at the verb to be. Here we are. I am, you are, he is, she is, it is, we are, you are, and they are. Now, when we speak in English, we contract the form so that I am becomes I'm. You are becomes your. He is becomes he's, she is, she's, it is, it's, we are, we're, you are, you're, they are, they're, okay? So there is quite a difficult pronunciation. There, they are there. Now, let's look at the sentences. I'm your teacher. You're my student. He's good looking. She's a puppy. It's a Japanese hat. We're a team. You're interested, and they're very good. Now, in our story, That's Life, there were some phrases using the verb to be. For example, Anne said, I'm Anne, I'm from Oxford. And then Alice said, you're a Capricorn, you're American. Other examples were, he's from New York, she's really happy, it's a Mexican hat, it's an African mask, it's really beautiful, Italy's wonderful, we're flatmates, you're students, and they're so friendly. Okay? Now that's the verb to be. Be careful with the pronunciation, you're, we're, there. Now, you're going to see the first episode of That's Life again, but this time listen very carefully and see if you can recognize all the parts of the verb to be. All right? And then I'll see you later. Okay? Bye.
Hello. I'm